Yo, what's up? Yo, what's up? Y'all see me good? Alright, cool. Yeah, so the other day I was like, wonder what would happen if, you know, some like crazy catastrophe happened, like an earthquake or something crazy, or like a tornado while I was driving. You know, like what would happen to me, dude? You know, like, especially if I didn't have my seatbelt on. You know what I'm saying? Whoa, man. That was crazy. Alright. It's like one of my favorite rappers is Tupac, right? Tupac said, you know, I always wear my seatbelt, or something like that. So, like, you know, I guess I'm just gonna wear my seatbelt and stuff. It's like, what if it was like an earthquake and I drove into a cavern? Oh, no, man, that's crazy. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know what I'm saying? Peace out, you know what I'm saying? How you turn this thing off, man? Hold on. Hello? Y'all still hear me?